How did I make $349.54 on New Year's? Basically, New Year's, part of it is luck, but part of it is luck being the holidays. But also, let me tell you, my app helped me make the money. Now, if you want to download the app, you can become a tester. If you do this quick, within 3 days, you use the app within 3 days of me releasing this video, use that QR code, you get 3 months free. You could help me develop it. So your bonus of helping me develop it and giving me criticisms, send me emails. I'll put the email in the pinned section of the video and also in the information section. Email me. Okay, but if you want the app, use the QR code. I'll also put the link in the video if you don't like QR codes. And you just go ahead and you go through the process of becoming a tester. Okay, so let's go through the math. Show you I'm not BSing, but my app really helped me work very efficiently. And so I started out at 9:29 p.m. Okay, I took an hour and let's see, I wrote it down. An hour, I think it was 19 minutes. Yeah, an hour and 19-minute break. And you'll see it in the time. So it started at 9:29. So my total work time was 4 hours and 7 minutes. Okay, so calculator on the screen, did I do that right? 349.54, that was my earnings. I guess I'm going to need to screenshot that. I forgot to screenshot it and show it on my phone. But you'll see all the trips there. So divided by I missed a point. Divided by 4 hours and 7 minutes. $85 an hour. Almost $86 an hour. Is that fair pay to you? All right. So first trip, 9:29 p.m., 19 minutes, 56 seconds, 36.42. I had some cancels, 9:49 cancel. Okay, 2 cancels in a row. The video should move forward. So I screenshotted my screen to go through the earnings. Another cancellation. There's the next trip, 9:54 p.m., 8 minutes, 4 seconds, $15.94. $6 surge right there. All right, so now I use my app to help me. All right, help me work efficiently. There's cancellation right there at 10:13, then at 10:24, 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, only 3-mile ride, $20.81. All right, man, killing it. And just killing it there. Look at this. So, okay, should scroll ahead. All right, 10:26 p.m., 12 minutes and 25 seconds, $13.14. All right, so my break is coming up. Got a bonus there, Trip Quest, so that helped. Okay, 10:48 p.m., 10 minutes and 15 seconds, $13.94. Now, I had a few cancellations, and that's about when I took my trip. So at about 11 p.m., I took a break. Okay, so because of cancellations, so you'll see there's a few cancellations, and I decided to take a break. Okay, I think this is my break. And then I came back at 12:19 a.m. So there's my hour and 19 minutes. So I gave myself an extra minute. So 10 minutes, 47 seconds for the next ride, 21.40. Get a $14 surge. So 10 minutes work, $20. Pretty fair pay. It's what we should get paid anyway. 12:29 a.m., 8 minutes, 1 second. Only a 4-mile trip, 22.78. There we go. So, yeah, killing it. Gets better. This is where you start putting in the grind in the after midnight hours. Okay, there we go. 12:51 a.m. 33:87. Next one 1:04 a.m. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 17:56. I remember that ride. they were like, "Oh man, you guys are making a lot of money right now." Yeah, we were. So there's not a lot of drivers out at that late. 1:15 a.m. 20 minutes 43 seconds. 52:17. $52.17. And then the last ride right there, and I got some more bonuses. Trip Quest. All right, so $66.51 trip, and only 1 hour it took me. Right, so I did my math wrong. I actually did my math wrong because I did that in less time. So for some reason, I quit after the last trip. I quit after that trip. So I did that in less time because I gained extra 20 minutes. So I thought I stopped at 12:41 because that's what I saw. Oh, damn it. I lost my spot. Let's go back to that trip. Okay, right there at 1:41 to 2:41. I wrote my end time as 2:41, but I actually did drive home. It probably did take me that much time to drive home. And I could have made more money because they were offering me trips. It just wasn't going back to where I lived. And I was getting tired. I could have pressed on. I could have got another pop like this. I could have got another pop like this. It was like a $50 trip. It was going the other way. I was like, it's gonna make me keep working if I take that. I'm tired. I was just like, I made enough going home. And I decided I was happy. So I went home. I probably could have made another $100. I probably could have made like $450, in a short period of time. So my total hours of work were about 4 hours. 4 hours of work, that's how much I made. Okay, I had the app on longer. The app says I was on longer because I sat at home with the app on for several hours, and I was just watching the trips and stuff like that, and I had turned it on and off, and I decided not to go out until it started paying better. So that's how you work efficiently. Okay, and my app helped me do that. So you just use the QR code, download it, and it's just going to get better and better. I already have new ideas for it, but this is the base, and it has lots of features. It's going to tell you how much your trip pays and whether it's worth it or not, and you're going to love it. Okay, you are going to love it. I use this personally. Every day. Okay, so yep, last trip, 66.51. Then I drove home. Okay, that was it. I was beat, and I made a lot of money, $350. Okay, there it is. I worked 4 hours. I was online for 6 hours and 27 minutes, and I actually worked 4 hours, and I made $349.54. That's all I did. That's all I've done all week. Then I'm going to rest up, doing other things, and then I'm going to go back out and see what I can do. Again, very favorable market, so it's going to be very hard to repeat that because, New Year's only happens so often. So I was lucky there, but I declined a lot of rides. I declined them instantly, and then I instantly accepted the ones I needed. This is real accurate math. It comes through fast. I was like, yep, this looks good. Bang, accepted. Declined. Bang, accept. Declined. I have it all in my head what I'm going to accept, and that's all in the app as well. And there are other features besides accepting rides and stuff like that. This is going to help you make your life pain-free, and I'm going to keep improving it. I'm going to listen to other drivers. I'm going to keep adding those features. So the email for suggestions is put it in the, email me. Email me, talk to me, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Okay, that's the best way to contact me is through the email. All right. You want the app, QR code. You're going to get it for, what did I say? 2 months free. I think I said 2 months free. Okay. 2 months free within the next 7 days. Or did I say 3 months? Well, whatever I said in the beginning of the video is what you'll get it for. Become a tester. You get it for free if you become a tester during a short period of time. Okay. And then you have to, if you want this to get on my good side here, you become a tester fast. I'm not going to need testers later. Okay. I'll still listen to your input. You could still email me and I will still listen to your input. That part is never going to go away. This is an ongoing thing. I'm going to make this the best. So the QR code is how you get it. Gig Pulse is the name. All right. See you out there. Make lots of money, man. I'm on your side.